everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video we are doing a pantry organise with me. Basically, we've been living in this house for just over a year now, and I did a little bit of organising type thing in our pantry. Well, it's not really a pantry, it's like a few cupboards we keep all our dry food and tins and stuff like that. But I did a little bit of organising with it, but it's just not great. It's not great at all. So I have been to the shop and bought a load of baskets, buckets, airtight containers and multi-purpose liner, and we are going to do a thorough clean and organise of my pantry. So please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get to it. So I just want to start off by showing you our pantry mess. It's a complete mess. I did attempt to do a few bits of organising up here when we first moved in with some airtight containers, but yeah, it's just a mess. So we have this cupboard here and this cupboard here. Basically, this is like sealed stuff, tea, coffees and stuff, condiments mixed with oils and vinegars and things. This is tins, jars and other bits, and condiments and other bits mixed together. And then this one here, this is our goodie basket, which has been taken over by loads of nuts. This is the was the baking cupboard shelf, but yeah. And then this has my tea caddy, other tea, sweets and biscuits and mince pies. So it is a complete and utter mess, and I'm so excited to get this organised. I've kind of done a little plan here of what I want to do. So basically I want all of this to be the airtight containers. I want these bits here to be like cooking sauces and little condiment jars and stuff like that. This will be 2 bins of sauces and stuff and vinegars and salt and sugar and all that sort of stuff. This is no longer going to be tins, this will be the 2 goodie containers. And this one's going to stay relatively the same, but just much more tidy and more organised. And then this one, up there will be the tea, coffee, drinks section. This will be the baking one still, but again it'll be more organised. And then this one here I'm going to turn into my tin shelf. And these are all the containers that I got. Wow, they are so cheap, it is amazing. Basically they're just these plastic tubs, really basic, simple plastic containers. I got all of these ones, they're slightly different sizes. But these ones are like slightly thinner and deep. These ones are a little bit wider and a bit shallower. I got these ones, which are like long skinny things but deep. I got these little tubs, little square ones, and this random little square one by itself. And I also have 2 boxes of these airtight containers, which was like, they have 2 different sizes of each size. So I've got 2 of those. These I believe were $7.99 each from Home Bargains. These were £1 each from B&M. These were $2.49 from B&M as well. This was £1 from B&M. And so were these. These 2 were £1 each, these little square ones. £1 from B&M. These ones I got from Home Bargains. How much were these? Oh my god, I can't remember. I think this size was $1.99, I believe. And I think these were $1.99 as well. Something like that. This one was a little random one from B&M. It's £1.50. And this multi-purpose liner was also from B&M, and it was $2.99. So all in all, pretty good bargain for all of this lot really. And again, I have these airtight containers up here. as well. So we have a lot of containers. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do now is I need to get the stickers off all of these, give them all a good wash and dry, and then I'll check back in with you in a bit.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
Tubs and containers are washed and dried. What I want to do now is take everything out of these cupboards, kind of organize it into categories, and then I want to give these cupboards a really good deep clean before I put the liner in. I think I've probably cleaned these cupboards once in the year and a half that we've lived here, so, and I know that underneath the cans the cabinet is going a little bit funky. I don't know whether that's rust or what, I don't know, but I want to give them a really good deep clean, good scrub, and then I want to start organising the containers, empty containers, into the shelf, so I kind of got a general gist of where everything is going to go and how everything's going to fit. So yeah, so first things first, let's empty these cupboards out. Right.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm lacing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you.
I've only taken the food out of one cupboard, this double cupboard, because I've kind of run out of counter space and there's a lot of stuff in that one. So I'm going to do this big cupboard first, and I just want to show you what I mean by the tins are like marking the cupboard. It's really gross, but there's like little rings on the cupboard there. So I'm going to give this cupboard a really thorough cleaning with my elbow grease. This stuff is amazing, really tough, and it gets anything off everything. I'm going to give this clean and then I'll be back in a minute. So I just want to quickly show you the after of me giving it a really good scrub. As you can see, it's still marked, but I've literally scrubbed this so much with the elbow grease and it's not coming off. So I'm going to be putting a liner down here and obviously a liner down for the other cupboard too with the actual tins in, but it looks a lot cleaner. I'm very happy with it. So now I'm going to take these tubs and stuff and put them in how I want them to go. So let's do that. Right, so this is what I have so far. I've put the cupboard liner in these two shelves. I didn't have enough for that shelf because I want to save some for this one for where the tins are going, so the tins don't mark that shelf as well. I think these two are going to be snacks. This is obviously the sauces and condiments. This is the cooking stuff. This will be jars, and these will be them airtight containers. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start filling some of these things up and then put them all in the cupboard, and then I've got my label maker down so I can label everything as well. I think once I start putting things in the cupboard, these containers will make a bit more sense in my head. I have my plan, but I can't envision it just yet. So I think I'm going to start filling it, and then I will be back if I have something to say. Right, let's do this. I'm tired, but I finished. Yay! It looks really good. I'm so excited to show you. Ready? Ta-da! Oh, look how much better it looks. So much better. So I want to do a little tour. It just looks so much better. Like, oh my goodness. So this one is snacks and little takeaway bits. It's like little bits you get when you get a takeaway. And then you have jars. This is condiments with herbs and spices, cooking mix, extra cooking stuff, and stock cubes. Over here we have sauces, salt and pepper, and oil and vinegars. And up here we have all the different jars of all my dried goods. Oh, you know, semolina custard, sugar, fruit, Rivitas, and over here we have like pasta, oats, couscous, rice, sugar and corn flour and stuff like that. It's so much more organised. It looks so good. I'm super, super happy with it. And I also did this cupboard too. If you remember, it was the horrible bacon and goodies cupboard, but now, ta-da! Look how good it looks. I'm so excited. So we have all of the canned goods on one of these mats, so they're not going to affect the cupboard like it did on that side. And up here, I did have enough for one more little mat, so I got all my baking stuff on here. This is just extra stuff here. These are little like vanilla essence and sprinkles and stuff. And you have cocoa powder, and behind that is icing sugar, and then my two things of flour. And up here is the drinks. So you have all the hot chocolates, the coffees, teas, different herbal teas, and a coffee in the bag at the back as well. So yeah, there's a little overview of that one. I think the pantry turned out super well. I'm so happy with it. Fingers crossed my little system works. But it should work, it's quite simple really. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please leave a like, thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel as well. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!